As a freelancer, your income is often unpredictable. But did you know that you can make money with real estate? In this video, we will show you how to make money with real estate as a freelancer. Freelancers can make money in real estate by providing a range of services to real estate investors, landlords, and property managers. For example, they can create marketing materials, such as virtual tours and property descriptions, for real estate listings. Freelancers can also use online platforms, such as Upwork and Freelancer, to find real estate clients. What skills are required for freelancers to be successful in the real estate industry? Freelancers need and the ability to work independently. They also need to have knowledge of the real estate industry and be familiar with real estate terminology. Freelancers can also use online platforms, such as Upwork and Freelancer, to find real estate clients. What skills are required for freelancers to be successful in the real estate industry? Freelancers need to have excellent communication skills, attention to detail. The amount of money that a freelancer can make in the real estate industry depends on the services they provided and their level of experience. However, many real estate freelancers make between 2,500 rupees to 4,500 rupees per hour. So, if you are a freelancer looking to make more money, consider offering your services to the real estate industry. With the right skills and knowledge, you can be successful and increase your income.